Hello and welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel. You hear it, it's a little bit windy, but that's okay. Today is a very sunny weather. It's already in the afternoon and I had a very good tea here at Cafe Nero. I've done some work and now I'm going for a walk here on the beach side. It's always interesting to come back to Larnaca, see how different the sea is every time. It's so crazy, it's different every day. Sometimes more waves, sometimes less waves. And yeah, today on my plan is to finalize some projects about Zino. And when I'm home again, I will talk to you again and again about my new Etsy shop where I'm selling crypto t-shirts. I tell you some very special insights how I'm going on with my Etsy shop and what you can learn, because I am also a beginner, but I'm watching a lot of YouTube stuff and I'm doing some research, and I'm show you later on again some ways if you want to open a shop on Etsy. Yeah, some ways how to do it better in the beginning. Whoa, the sun is going down again soon. I'm searching now another place where I can work for like 1 or 2 hours, and then I go back home. Hey guys, welcome back. The walk was very long and the work was very hard, but it's always nice if you're sitting like 2-3 days like in a hole in your apartment and doing your stuff to do what you have to do. And it's always nice to get out, sitting in a nice cafe or whatever, and working from there, getting contact with some people. Yeah, but now I'm back, and now let's start into the next things what I would do on Etsy. The first things I would do is, you can see here my Etsy shop. It's the TheLuWizz shop. And as you can see here in the middle, I'm selling crypto merch. For me, it's always important that the people should know on your profile banner, on your shop banner, what do I really get on this shop. So I would also add, like, what do you also offer, like clothing, education, poster, planners, ebooks, whatever you're selling. I would put it in the shop banner, also with your brand logo and the website. And what I'm doing in the next month, but I will make another video about that. I will add an offer code, like in the shop banner, like get 5% discount using this code. But I think usually I don't want that people get cheaper clothing on my shop so easily. I would target people with like pop-ups or with thank you mails when they're buying something. Then you can put on receipts or whatever, like a thank you code. But this is also another video. So the first thing is create a very nice profile banner, shop banner for your shop. And this will people really attract to stay on your shop. It's also very good to have a profile picture like here, where my name is. You can contact me. But if you want to edit the shop, on the left, you have the button where you click on it. And there you can add this one. There you can write in very simple words what you are really selling. You can use ChatGPT maybe for that. I think ChatGPT is working very good. It's very important because this sell high quality crypto and Bitcoin t-shirts and other merch will also be your metadata. What is metadata? When you searching on Google for TheLuWizz and your shop is ranking good, then you can see the TheLuWizz shop, and in the next line you can see, okay, what you really get on this shop, like sell high quality crypto and Bitcoin t-shirts and other merch. So that's very fascinating, and I will really take a deep dive what you should write there. And you should also have like a profile picture for your shop. That's also very important. Maybe it's your brand logo, it's different kind of logo, whatever. So, and here in the next box, you can see the featured items. So if you have many more listings like me or like most of the people, you can feature a special items, and there you can have a list. You can change the layout, or you can edit the queue. I mean, edit the queue, you can put it up to 4 elements. And I think now, okay, Valentine is over, because we talked in the video before how to do t-shirts for like special festivals like Valentine Day. I don't like it anymore. So I can ask, or I can search through my shop for another listing. Like, let's check Bitcoin. What should we take? Let's take the tracker hat. So now we can change also with drag and drop the queue. And then I would done, and now you can see here, okay, this t-shirt is now there. So that's always very good to keep in mind, to put here some 4 elements. If you have different kinds like t-shirts, caps, bags, iPhone cases, whatever, then I would put from any segment 1 in it. Yeah, that's it. And I mean, next video we will go through how I will build up a listing, what you can how you can do it, and of course how to create a listing with t-shirts, wall art, whatever, because it's very fascinating to cooperate with some partners, and then you don't have any costs, because all the stuff is doing your partner, and you only have to take traffic, or to put traffic on your channel. So that's it for now. I think in the next video, as I told you, we will talk about the listing. And yeah, keep in mind to check also other YouTubers, because I'm also a beginner, but I want to go with you through this journey, 30 days on Etsy. What will happen? This is now day 2. I don't have any sales until now, but let's see how these 30 days will change. So yeah, I wish you all the best. Go for it. And with orange love, TheLuWizz. Bye-bye.